Hi everyone. You may remember a while ago I did some videos on the uses of isopropyl alcohol and how good that is in terms of cleaning up grease, grime, dirt, nasties, germs and anything else that you care to throw at your phone, at your TV or anything like that, providing it doesn't have a porous surface like, say, a wooden table. Then you're good. The other good thing that isopropyl alcohol is good for is getting rid of things like viruses, flu virus, cold virus, Covid-19, coronavirus. So what I would recommend, it's something I do anyway, but people are becoming a little bit more germ cautious, which is good. It stops the spread of nasty germy germs. If you've got kids or adults that don't care much about their phones, and kids especially share their phones to other people to show them the latest Snapchat thingy, whatever it is, TikTok, take your phone, get their phone, soak it in isopropyl, give it a good old rub, get a white clean cloth or clean cloth, even tissue, kitchen roll, something like that, and then give it a good old rub over. Actually, I'd recommend turning off your phone before doing this, and this will work for any surface: iPad, tablet, computer, keyboard, mouse, anything. Just turn them off first. Don't soak it, obviously, but and what it does, and I've always done this, I do this on my screens, you end up with a very nice, clean, germ-free. I don't know whether I'll see if I can catch the light in that. It's not going to work, is it? Oh, there we go. So you get an idea. It's nice and clean, a little bit scratches there, but otherwise, germ-free, all good. Isopropyl alcohol, people. I keep telling people about the uses of isopropyl alcohol and why you should buy it and use it. Buy it, use it. It gets rid of all sorts, and it's good for all this drama that we're seeing a lot of. Spray it on your handles, on your doors, wipe it off, leave it on. Any substance, as long as it's not porous, you're good. You're good. So yeah, you can get it anything from 70% to, well, this one's 99.9%. 70% plus is always good. You can also use it to make your own hand gel. Very easy. I think it's 1/4 isopropyl alcohol, and then 3/4 aloe vera gel, and I think that's it. You just mix that up together and you got yourself a hand gel. Get some now before people go crazy and realizing that it is possibly the best thing to use. Do it now. Do it now. That's a public service announcement for everyone, and I'll see you next time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed and you like news, reviews, hints, tips, leaks, peeks, gadgets, guides, how-tos, calibrations and so on, consider subscribing and don't forget to click the bell. And I'll see you next time. Stay safe, stay strong, be healthy, and look after those you love. See you next time.